Welcome to the future of Automobili Pininfarina design. Ciao, I'm Dave AMANTEA and I'm here today to share with you my favorite details of Pura Vision. Pura Vision has a distinctive face, defined by hidden headlamps and a new lighting technology by LES. Our beautiful concept is painted with bianco sestriere over exposed carbon fiber. Cab rear unbalanced proportion conveys the dramatic stance of Pura Vision. One thing that you will love is the glass roof. It's what we name a windows to the world. It's what connects the occupants with the environment. Pura Vision has 23-inch wheels painted in gloss and matte black. The gravel effect tire convey a distinctive character to our Pura Vision. These tires enable luxury to be enjoyed over any terrain. The panoramic roof adds to a sense of sophisticated luxury. The biscotto roof signature is one of my favorite elements in Pura Vision. This is nothing like any other design in the world. This roof and the Stargate doors make Pura Vision unique from above. These doors also give easy access to the spacious rear seat area. Fun fact, for this door opening, we took inspiration from Lancia Florida. The proportion of the rear is really special. The presence of this car is enhanced by the vertical muscle construction. The vertical muscle ensures a fantastic proportion on the rear. Pura Vision is like nothing you've seen before. Welcome to the future of Automobili Pininfarina design.
My name is Francesco CUNDARI. I am Director of the Interior Design for Automobili Pininfarina. Just want to share with you what for me are the most important parts of Pura Vision. We took inspiration from luxury yachts, such as the floating seat that resembles the foil of the sailcraft, or for example, the center console that is hanging from the front of the dashboard that is clearly inspiration taken from the boom of a sail. The new platform, the electric platform, also gave us the possibility to create a very expensive cabin and very roomy inside, and also creating this surrounding effect that we call the infinite loop that goes from the front and really surrounds the rear passengers. Behind the concept of our HMI, there is a philosophy. Basically, we want to minimize the impact of the information and of the displays in order to avoid any distraction for the driver and the passengers. We minimize the HMI to important items like the main display, the cluster in front of the driver, and of course the center console display that rises when is needed and also could be stowed when it's not needed in order to give space to make the people inside the car enjoy the drive. The concept behind the interior was also to divide the cabin into areas, into zones. The front is fully dedicated to the driver and the passenger. On the rear, we dedicated the area to the passenger like a sofa, like a couch, creating this kind of lounge feeling. So that's why we put also a wine cooler in the middle, in order that when they stop, they can enjoy a good glass of wine and luxury everywhere.
My name is SARA CAMPAGNOLO and I'm the Director of Color and Material Design at Automobili Pininfarina, and today I want to share with you some of my favorite details of Pura Vision. My goal when selecting materials for Pura Vision was to use as few materials as possible at the highest quality possible, used in a very efficient way. In the interior of the car, you can find a really precious semi-annealing leather that was actually produced with a very sustainable tanning method called Zero Impact. We also decided to use a luxury textile made of 30% Nativa wool and 70% recycled polyester with a lovely melange herringbone finish that gives the car a very tailored effect. In contrast to that, you also find some exposed carbon fiber with just a hint of black tint to make it really deep in look. And then you have machined aluminum anodized that looks very technical and recalls some details of the exterior. In line with our Pura philosophy, materials are not just a cover, they represent the very fabric of our design and they are taken into consideration at the very beginning of the design process. Each of the Pura Vision seats features a crisp white, sustainably tanned semi-aniline leather that is also finished with a lovely piece of jewelry right in the center of the seat that has the emblem of the car, so Pura Vision logo.